your mind makes you think, when did the bird crow?
I was just wondering when the bird crowed. God. Hey. Do you know when the...
Whoa.
Hey, Fanny. It's really you. It's really Emerson on my mind. Looking for a murder. 2 in the morning, got a fat burger. First time at Fatburger. Both of us haven't had it before.
Never, ever.
See, the thing is, that's different because he lives in LA, so.
2 a.m. at the spot. It's just really bright.
Okay, here.
I'll be taking over. So something he never told you guys is that he's actually Jewish.
I'm reading him.
I got the vlog for Jet.
Where's Jess?
I'm going to jail. I'm going to jail, Fatty.
Why are you going to jail? That's a large one. I'm like,
we're guilty of
what?
stealing.
I'm not hiding, but.
Nice. Oh.
Really?
This is just how we own
That's the leg that hurts.
This is the observatory of GTA 5.
I don't know.
What is that from?
Is that the piece of the moon?
Oh, that's a piece.
What is that? What are you guys talking about?
The piece of the moon.
Oh, what? You like added like very little.
Watch this when I get off.
Oh!
Yeah!
Oh, how much?
800.
We're obese. Oh, yes, you do it.
Backpack.
I'm about to touch the moon. Eat that, Lance. I fucked up.
That's you. Is that? Oh! See, when it makes that like.
I like seeing the big ones. That's what she said.
Oh, that's dope. Oh my god.
Double, get double shot.
What?
Oh!
When you bring it down, it'll still hold itself up because it's going so
Whoa.
Oh, I gotta get that.
Ah, you ruined it. Get the. I can't. Sadly, all good things have to come to an end. We're currently leaving the Janice Griffith Museum. So next time when we come here, hopefully we get more time and everything's clear so we can see views and shit. Get out. Whoa! Here you go to the counter. Oh Lord. Oh. We're too caught up on stores right now. We are not paying attention to any stars. Wait, what? Who is this?
Dr. Seuss.
Oh wow! Everything, yeah. How was it? Muy bueno. Oh, I thought she got one. Hey, we got the star of Point Break. Oh yeah, Point Break. Point Break. I was thinking about the other. John Wick.
My snow globe collection.
Come on, we'll make it snowy.
I can be your tennis ball. Hey, do you know what Bruce Lee's favorite drink is?
Capri Sun.
No, it's... What happened?
You knocked the winner out.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Somebody help me.
We got another member of the Point Break OG cast.
No! Please, God, no! No!
That's what she said.
That's why people are leaving. I have no words. You got what?
¿Es todo?
You don't know how to attack it, huh? Ah! It's too hot. It's too hot.